Alright, new project with the Busa. LED kit. Let's see, get a little LED kit. Controller, remote, LEDs. I'm wiring them and gotta set them all in. But still got them in the roll. They're down here. About a total of 300 LEDs that are going in. They're lining the swing arm up in the top here. They're going to go inside the fairings and up inside here, because it's going to flash on the chrome and make it all look like it all should, whatever, shine. So I pre-wired it up to make sure that it works. After a array of minutes, could not figure out why it did not turn on, and found out the fuse that they supplied for it looks like this right here. Yeah, that don't work. So you have to cut the fuse off if you buy this kit. But it is super bright. It's beautiful. It's got many different things to put on it and toy with. So here, check this out. Red. You could change it all. Green, blue, white. That's your main three with any LEDs. You guys should know that. You guys got multicolor yellows and just every single color you can think of. Yeah, I have it now. And then you can do an array of different styles, your exotic colors and goofy crap like that. And then they have this thing called Jump 3, which is 3 different colors that it shines. And then Jump 7, which is all the colors, and it goes crazy. They have Fade 3. You can turn it down. Along with Fade 7. I have that down pretty slow. Turn it up a little. You can go all the way, I mean, it's like super flash. And then it's got flash, another one of my favorites. You strobe it, believe it or not, that's going pretty crazy right now. And then you can slow it down as far as you need to that slow, which is very slow. I like this because it's something. And then it's got a pause button, which is funny because you can just, if you want to put it on fade, you can pause it in mid fade, which is weird. I've never heard of that before, but you can see here's the pause button, and unpause and pause mid fade. It's weird, but I'll go with it. Then they got this sweet little button here. It's auto. If you're at shows or something, you feel like doing something flashy for everybody to see, you turn it on auto and walk away. It's like a demo mode, and it does everything. Which I think is pretty neat. If you're at a show and you see somebody with a bike like that, it's doing that, Yeah, stand there and watch it for a minute. Because I know I would. So, it's also got, go back to white. It's got this, you could turn the color up and down. It's just, check this. I've never, I mean, yeah, you could turn it up and down as like anything normal, but these are, this is different. This is like going for a different shade of color actually, like this. See, this is changing the color. You could change it to the reds. Oh, wait a second, here we go. Go up and down. Same thing on this one. I don't know what it's doing, but I guess it's doing something. Don't mind me because I'm completely colorblind. Well, I guess it's taking the colors out. You know, it's got red, green, and blue here. You could take red out. Or is that taking, that's putting red in. Take green out. Looking at red. Take blue out. I guess that's already blue. Yeah, you could put blue in. Or put red in and put green in. What's it give you? White. Alright, that's kind of cool. So, there it is. I'll show you the finished option when it's done. It's going to be a while. Alright.